This seed ball could help restore the forest after devastating wildfires. Dispersed is designed specifically for reforestation purposes. It's 3D printed from edible and biodegradable dough. Inside the dispersed are whole seeds that either fall to the ground or are spread far and wide by small animals and birds attracted to its fruity color. Created by a student team from the Polytechnic University of Valencia in Spain. Dispersed aims to help restore plant diversity and forest structure and prepare for future wildfires in unburned areas.